Good morning. Today is February 27, 2012, and I'm recording the second part of how to make Rejuvelac. So as you remember, we put the seeds for 12 hours. I did a little bit more, and I don't know if you can see that, but it has bubbles on it. I'm going to show you that. That means that the fermentation is kind of starting the process, but we don't want that. This is just the soaking. You see, it has like little bubbles, which is good. But these are ready to be sprouted. So you take out the cover and you rinse the seeds. I did this 2 times yesterday. Now you don't want the seeds to drain. And because we add some water, we rinse them. And I don't know if you get to see it, but it started to sprout, the seeds. It's hard to see it, but they did. So this is good. So I think because it's very hot here, it's like around 80 today, 27 it's going to be. They're going to sprout very, very fast, these seeds. But in winter, of course, it takes longer. So the water's coming out pretty brown. One more time, and we are ready. So then I toast them in a colander. That's where they're going to be. This is a perfect colander. We rinse them well, and there's one more ingredient that is crucial for the seeds to sprout. And you know what that is? Have you heard of Emoto? The experiment he did with water, how the intention affects how the crystals form in the water. So if you say, I'm not going to tell you this, seeds, I hate you, they just don't sprout. But if you send them a good dosage of love, that's what I'm doing right now. You're going to be the best seeds, and you're going to give me the best Rejuvelac. So thank you so very much. And you're very grateful for the seeds. Then guess what? Don't forget to take the remaining water there, just by kind of shaking the colander. This is a good way. And then just put it. I have like this container which will drain the water. I move it a little bit so the excess water goes out. You don't want sunlight like right there, because it's going to be too harsh on the seeds. Some are broken and you just want to take them out, so there you go. And then with a cloth, which I have here, you cover them for about 24 hours, and then we will check them out. So right now it's 10 a.m. so I should check around 10 p.m. or even sooner. So let's see how they're doing. And you set them up in a dark place where they're not going to be touched. They don't have direct sun. Not dark. Dark by I meant by not direct sunlight. Just where I put the other ones. I put it on a shelf, you see, right there in my kitchen. So I hope this works out, and then in 10 hours we check, or a little bit less, how the sprouting is going. Okay, thank you for joining, and stay tuned for part 3. Bye-bye.